Hey there, Mr. G 1965. Thank y'all for clicking on my channel. If you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you can, give it a like. I appreciate it. We're getting plenty of water here in Tazewell, Virginia. Today is February the 15th. Over there is the Tazewell County Farm Bureau. And I'm telling you, they're getting the water. This is Route 16 here in front of us. I hear the law dog somewhere. Anyhow, rescue squad or something, I don't know. We're getting plenty of water here. I thought I'd throw a little video out there. Anyhow, looks pretty rough. So, see what the laws are wanting here. I don't know what's going on. So, it's pretty rough out here. Well, I don't know. I guess you're just checking to see the lights is working. I don't know. But there it is. We'll catch you later.